Want to turn your balcony into a green oasis? Imagine the joy of nurturing your own urban garden right on your doorstep. The benefits are countless. Get ready as we delve into the top 5 plants ideal for urban gardeners. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 plants for your urban garden. First up on our list are succulents. These low-maintenance plants boast a diverse range, thriving in various climates. Ideal for those starting their urban gardening journey or dealing with limited space, succulents are an excellent choice for beginners and those with limited space. Next, we have herbs. Imagine the joy of stepping onto your balcony and picking fresh basil, mint, or rosemary for your dinner. Their aromatic qualities can turn your urban space into a fragrant oasis. Herbs provide not only a visual appeal but also a practical use in the kitchen. Third on our list are tomatoes. A favorite for many, tomatoes offer a vibrant taste that store-bought ones just can't match. Rich in nutrients and flavor, they're a joy to grow. Growing tomatoes is a rewarding experience that provides you with fresh produce right at your doorstep. Fourth, we recommend ferns. These lush green beauties aren't just eye-catching, they're also natural air purifiers. Perfectly adapted to shady balconies, ferns are a splendid choice, bringing a dash of wild elegance to your urban retreat. Ferns add a touch of wilderness and improve air quality in your urban garden. Lastly, we suggest strawberries. There's an undeniable joy in watching these ruby gems ripen on your balcony. Their sweet taste is a testament to your nurturing. Harvesting your own strawberries is indeed a fun-filled experience. Strawberries bring a sweet end to our list, offering both beauty and delicious rewards. Transform your balcony into a green oasis with these top 5 plants. Succulents, herbs, tomatoes, ferns, and strawberries, all perfect for the urban gardener. These plants not only beautify your space, but also offer a rewarding hobby and even a tasty harvest. Urban gardening is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating your own slice of nature in the heart of the city. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.